In today's video, I will walk you through how to find top traders on BingX. Copy trading isn't about picking the person with the biggest green percentage on their profile, it's about auditing risk, consistency and drawdown. Today, I'm showing you how to navigate the BingX copy trading leaderboard to find signal providers who are actually worth your capital. Log into your BingX dashboard and navigate to the copy trading section. You'll be greeted by the leaderboard. Don't filter by total profit, that just shows you who has been lucky the longest. Instead, switch your filters to risk level and Sharpe ratio. You're looking for traders with a low risk score, ideally 1 to 3, and a Sharpe ratio above 1.5, which indicates consistent returns relative to their volatility. Once you find a potential candidate, click into their profile. This is where the audit happens. Don't look at the total assets, look at the trade history. Are they closing positions quickly, or are they bag-holding losers in the hopes of a reversal? Look for a high win rate with tight stop losses. If their average loss is significantly larger than their average win, they aren't a trader, they're a gambler waiting for a margin call. Before you risk a single dollar of real USDT, use the VST feature. BingX allows you to copy these traders using Virtual USDT. Spend 1 week running a VST test on your chosen trader. If they burn through your virtual capital, you just saved your real portfolio from a disaster. And that's it. That's how to find top traders on BingX.